Hello, this is the Compact Patio washer. I'm going to show you what's inside the box. We have a set of instructions. Then we have the main housing or body of the unit with brushes. We have the rotor assembly, and we have the extension tube attached to which is a small device for cleaning out the nozzles should the need arise. So the first thing to do is to assemble the unit, which is very straightforward. And that's about it, ready to attach to the jet washer. It was very easy to attach the accessory to the trigger handle, and a locating notch locks the orientation. This was a tough test. I'm cleaning very grubby Indian sandstone pavers that hadn't been cleaned for more than 9 months. It was very easy to use. It almost floats over the surface you're cleaning. Also, it creates very little splashback when compared with using a spray nozzle, and it was easy to clean underneath overhanging plants. And usefully, there was minimal soil disturbance when cleaning edges next to flower beds. I was able to clean this test area very quickly. It only took about 5 minutes to clean about 3.5 square meters. I found the attachment unsuitable for cleaning walls. It was very awkward to hold and much easier to use the standard rough nozzle. I think this attachment is going to be really useful for quick, regular cleaning of my paving. The twin rotating jets can't really match a single spray nozzle for ultimate cleaning power. And also, understandably, it doesn't clean right into corners of patios up against walls. I did notice quite a bit of vibration through the trigger handle when using the attachment. Overall, I'd rate it 7 out of 10.